Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some compression socks. Let's check these out and see how they are. Comes in a box. Usually socks don't come that way, but okay, so we have 3 sets of socks. They all look identical. And this is what they look like here. Let's see, do I get a certain size? Oh, I got large to extra large, so these are gonna be big, but you get the idea. So my feet aren't this big. But let's show you what they look like on my feet. So these are my feet. Hopefully you like my toes that are nicely painted. When you got kids, you paint your toes. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna say they're fairly tight, but I guess that's the concept with compression socks. Okay, so this goes up to my knee. Look at that, and it's got these like bubbly things on the bottom that are like rubber. So like I won't be able to slide on this floor. Oh, look, it leaves little marks, I guess, from there. My floor is dirty. So let's try on the other side. That is them. So they are definitely compression socks. They are compressing my feet and my legs. So these are good. They keep everything in place. They feel kind of comfy. I kind of like it. It'll be nice in the winter when I want to just be walking around the house maybe and not be sliding around. So these are cool. I like them. Good compression socks. So if you need some non-slip, breathable fabric, non-slip for sure, breathable fabric, graduated compression, for Viscose non-slip compression socks. So there you go, that's all the specs on it. Very cool, I like them, thumbs up.